Click on the little plus sign and then click on Alert Box. Click Add New Source. Make sure the middle one with the text over the image is selected. Everything looks fine, so click OK. Then go over to your dashboard. Then click Widgets. On the top you'll see Alert Box. Then go down and select Bits. You can do the same thing for all the other alerts as well. Make sure that middle box is selected with text over the image. Everything looks good. Then we look for the file to upload. There it is. Select. Make sure all the settings are the way you want. We'll need to make sure the text will fit inside the image. Here are my settings. Click Save. Then go back to the editor. We'll test the widget. That looks good to us. Again, you can play around with the text, the font, the colors, but I'm going to leave it like this for the purposes of this tutorial. Next, we'll add our webcam. Click Add New Source. Browse for the file you want to use. Click Open. Now this is going to be very large, so you can always resize it. Next, we'll need to add some information via Streamlabels. Gonna add a recent donator. Just scroll through the label type. Click OK. After you review all of the settings, you can edit what's displayed, you can put the amount, you can put a message, you can change the fonts, the colors. Let's click and drag and put it where we want it to go. Now, even after resizing, it's quite large. Doesn't fit in the box. So we'll add a filter and have it scroll. We're scrolling horizontally. You can change the speed to however fast or slow you want. That looks good to us. It's still extending past the box, so I considered using a crop or pad. But seeing as how everybody's names and amounts will change and vary, this is not the best way to fit the text in that box. A better way to do this is to go back to scroll, click Limit Width, and we'll actually make it 175 pixels because that's about the size of our box. That looks good. Next, we'll add our most recent follower using the same method, clicking on Streamlabels. Scrolling through, looking for recent follower. Whoops, Kira accidentally dragged the display capture. If that happens, just recenter it. It's not a big deal. Now this follower's name actually fits inside the box, but to anticipate future followers maybe having longer names, we'll still add the scroll function. Horizontal speed setting it to 30 and limiting the width to 175 pixels. Last but not least, we'll add our most recent subscriber. Going into Streamlabels again. And we'll click and drag. Resize it a bit. And again, adding the scroll function. Click that checkbox, limit width, 175 again. Last but not least, we'll add our webcam. Clicking on that little plus sign under sources. Clicking on video capture device. Type in the title. And there I am. Hello everybody. We'll need to drag that and put it underneath our webcam frame. And as you can see, the frame is a little wider than my webcam. So we'll go ahead and add a cropping filter. Select crop pad from the drop-down menu. We'll just take some off the bottom and we'll just play around with it until it fits. For me, about 85 worked. Click done, and there you have it. Just testing that bit alert again. See you later, everybody. Thanks for tuning in.